Welcome to the Ultimate Feline webinar on global domination. I'm Professor Whiskers, and today I'll reveal 5 foolproof steps. Step 1, observe humans until you know their every weakness. Step 2, secure the snack cupboards, hunger makes them obedient. Step 3, take over the internet, memes are mind control. Step 4, convert dogs into loyal enforcers with strategic belly rubs. Step 5, nap because rested rulers plan better coups. Follow these steps and the world will be purring under paws. See you at the top.